for this video on best skincare practices that you need to follow to get the best skin of your lifetime. And if we are meeting for the first time, if you are seeing this face for the first time, hi guys, I am Chitranshi. Welcome to my channel. I make skincare, beauty, fashion, makeup, haul and a lot of videos on this channel. So if you are somebody who is interested in either of these, make sure you subscribe because it will mean a lot. Please kar lo, subscribe kar lo. So let's start with the first one. Using a correct type of skin cleanser. It is very important कि आप अपने skin के according जो skin cleanser है, face wash है, वो use करें. If you are someone who has oily or acne prone skin, I will suggest that you use a salicylic acid or a benzoyl peroxide based face wash because that will help you out with your skin concern. And for people with dry and mature skin type, use something which is milky, which is really mild, जो काफी skin पे आपके harsh ना हो. तो go for a mild or gentle cleanser. You know my favorite, it is Cetaphil. You can also go for Sebamed or CeraVe. These are again very mild and gentle cleansers. इसमें specifically dry skin type के लिए देखिएगा, बहुत सारे variants आते हैं. मैं जिन प्रोडक्ट्स की बात इस वीडियो में करूंगी, आई विल लिंक ऑल ऑफ देम इन डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो. तो अगर आपको कुछ भी कंफ्यूजन हो तो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स चेक कर लेना या फिर कमेंट करके मुझसे पूछ लेना, मैं आपको प्रोडक्ट का लिंक दे दूंगी. Alright, so this was about the face washes or the cleansers. And then if you are someone who is looking for a brightening face wash, you have dark spots and pigmentation issues, you can look out for something which has AHA, alpha hydroxy acid based face washes are going to go great for your skin type. Let's move on to point 2. Second one is do not go overboard with your skincare products. I mean, do not use too many products. बहुत सारे products एक साथ मत use करो because that's going to be harmful for your skin. It might end up clogging your pores. आपके skin के pores clog हो सकते हैं, which can result into breakout and acne. I have got 2-3 breakouts on my forehead. That's because I was doing an experiment video and I was putting a lot of stuff on my face and that's why it started breaking out. I'm still in the procedure of getting rid of them, so multiple videos coming on that also. But then yeah, I'm telling you, I'm a live example. I do a lot of experiment for you people. I try different products. I tried products from different brands, new products, and some work really nicely, some tends to give me this thing which I don't like. Anyway, तो आप देख ही रहे हो, तो इसलिए do not go on board with too many skincare products. Look out for a brand which you like and stick to it because there will be a lot of temptation with multiple fancy packing वाले brands या new brands launching in every day, but do not get attracted. Stick to something which you like, which suits your skin type. Third one, which is very essential, it's moisturization. I cannot emphasize enough on this point. Hydration, moisturization आपकी skin को बहुत अच्छी रखती है. It will eventually look very plump. मतलब अगर आपने एक अच्छा moisturizer ढूंढ लिया अपने skin type के लिए, you are sorted for your lifetime. Let me assure you that. So make sure that you have a moisturizer, and the best time to moisturize is right after you take bath. नहाने के just बाद, because your skin is damp, it's ready, it's all clean, it is ready to absorb the moisturizer deep and lock in the moisture in your skin. And then the second best time to apply moisturizer is just before going to bed because आपकी skin रात में काफ़ी rejuvenate होती है, cells regenerate करते हैं, उसको rest मिलता है. So applying a good moisturizer will help you through the night time as well. Make sure that you are using a moisturizer on a daily basis, twice a day or as frequently as you wash your face. Do not wash your face more than twice, it's harmful. But 2 बार धोने के बाद अपना अच्छा सा moisturizer use करिए. Make sure it does not have very harsh fragrances because fragrances eventually tend to sensitize your skin and then irritate them. Fourth point is very obvious, but then again I'm going to talk about that point here. Do not keep touching your face. Yes, it's unavoidable, but guys, since we already are in the middle of a pandemic, this habit is really important. And then even if we are not in the middle of pandemic, you have to make a habit to not touch your face again and again. क्यों? क्योंकि because अगर आप अपने face को बार बार touch करोगे, your skin will be more prone to wrinkles, you will experience premature aging, and no, I am not kidding. These points I'm talking about have been talked with a dermatologist. मैंने एक article को काफ़ी research में पढ़ा है, तभी मैं आपके संग ये चीज़ें share कर रही हूँ. You will make your skin acne prone, you will increase the risk of viruses and dirt getting on your face, and eventually जब गंदगी इकट्ठी होती है face पे तो ये होता है. अगर आपको ये नहीं चाहिए तो stop touching your face. कॉन्शियसली आदत रखो कि मुझे अपने फेस को टच नहीं करना है। कॉन्शियस रहोगे, अगर दिन में 3-4 बार अपने आप को टोकोगे, अपने आप ही आदत चली जाएगी। इट्स नॉट सिंपल, इट विल टेक टाइम, बट देन इट इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट हैबिट दैट यू शुड डेवलप. All right, and then let's move on to the fifth point, which is hydrate inside out. I know I have been talking about hydration since a very long time. अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, आप सुनते रहेंगे। एंड अगर आप पुराने हैं तो आपको पता है कि मैं हाइड्रेशन पे कितना एम्फसाइज करती हूँ। तो हाइड्रेशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बट सिर्फ बाहर से ही नहीं कि आप सोचो कि मैं हाइड्रेटिंग प्रोडक्ट्स लगा लूँ, ये वाटर बॉम्ब लगा लूँ, वो लगा लूँ, उससे तो कुछ जगह ऐसा नहीं होगा। आपको पानी पीना भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। सो मेक श्योर दैट यू ड्रिंक एटलीस्ट 8 glasses ऑफ वाटर अ डे, बिकॉज दैट इज वॉट विल ब्रिंग आउट दैट इनर ग्लो, दैट ब्यूटी, दैट ब्ला ब्ला, दैट वाह वाह। अगर आपको वो सब चाहिए तो पानी पीना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। तो आप पानी पीजिए 8 glasses मिनिमम, एंड इफ यू ड्रिंक मोर देन दैट, दैट इज ऑसम, यू ऑलरेडी हैव अ ब्यूटिफुल स्किन. So drinking more water means more plump skin, less sagging skin. We don't want that. And aging जब आनी चाहिए तभी आएगी, उसके पहले नहीं आएगी. बट अगर पानी नहीं पियेंगे, इस सबका उल्टा होगा. Another thing to add in this point is that look out for products which are hydrating. Do not use harsh products. Like I am a little dry and combination skin type, so I use Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser. पता नहीं मैं कितनी बार उसकी बात कर चुकी हूँ, but it's a great product, so that's why I emphasize a lot on that product. Then I use this thing. In my current skincare routine, I'm using Mcaffiene ka green tea night gel. It has amazing hydrating effects on face. I'm going to link a review video right here. If you're interested, watch it. Product आपको नीचे मिल जाएगा. So look out for something which suits your skin. These two things suit my skin type. They might not suit your skin type. तो आप अपना एक्सपेरिमेंट करते रहो, और अगर आपके पास कोई ऐसा ब्रांड मिलता है तो स्टिक टू दैट. Yes. Then we have sixth point, which is avoid direct exposure to the heat. Now that winters are coming in, सबको अच्छा लगता है हीटर के आगे बैठ जाओ हाथ सेकने के लिए, एकदम पास से घुस जाओ, वो गर्म पानी में ही हाथ धोते रहो, गर्म पानी से ही नहाते रहो. Please do not do that, because exposure, direct exposure to heat will break the collagen in your skin. We do not want that, because collagen is only thing which is responsible for the skin's elasticity, for keeping it nice and tight and taut. So if you want a good skin, stay away from heat. So make sure you at least maintain a 10 feet distance if from a direct source of heat. ज़्यादा गर्म पानी से भी skin dry out होती है, excessive dryness होती है, which is again not good for skin, not good for skin. No, not good for skin. लिख रहे हैं सब कुछ, लिखते रहिए, it's very important. Alright, and then the next point we have on the list is exfoliation. Again, my love for exfoliation is known by everybody, right? So make sure you exfoliate your skin, because we lose 50 million skin cells a day, and that's a huge number. If you leave it hanging around on your skin, it will make your skin look very, very, very dull, and it will, not bring out that nice and beautiful skin present underneath it. So make sure you exfoliate couple of times a week. I do not say more than twice. Don't do it, overdo भी नहीं करना है obviously. अब ये भी नहीं कि आप रोज लगे हो exfoliation में. And physical exfoliators, there are two types of exfoliators. Physical exfoliators, which are face scrubs and apricot और ये सब. And then we have chemical exfoliators and peels जो आजकल market में काफी popular हैं. That is totally a different topic. I'm going to cover it in a different separate video. But then इस video में I will say that exfoliate a couple of times a week, twice, thrice is just sufficient. And then use an exfoliator जिसकी pH value neutral है, because neutral होगा तो आपकी skin को dry out नहीं करेगा. तो इस चीज़ का भी आपको ध्यान रखना है. कुछ केमिकल एक्सफोलिएटर्स और कुछ फिजिकल एक्सफोलिएटर्स मैं नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी, which I like, and you can go for them if you may like. And yes, this is what we have for this point. And the next point is vitamins. Vitamins is very important. Vitamins are very important. हमें पता है we are supposed to have a balanced diet. दाल, रोटी, सब्जी सब खाना चाहिए. Avoid junk food. That's very obvious. But then वो जो आपकी बॉडी में जाता है वो लॉन्ग टर्म में इफेक्ट दिखाएगा, बट टॉपिकल एप्लीकेशन, यानी अगर आप ऊपर से अपने फेस पे कोई विटामिन सप्लीमेंट्स लगाते हैं, वो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा रिजल्ट दिखाएगी. Here I'll just give you an example of vitamin C. Vitamin C is a great vitamin for fighting sun damage, for fighting pollution, for fighting everything which, खराब करती है हमारी स्किन को. So vitamin C is a great vitamin if you want something which protects your skin. Eventually, there are multiple vitamin based serums which you can look out for. I have done a detailed review and a detailed talk about why skin needs vitamin C, and a few of them I have suggested. That video will be linked here. A lot of videos are there on this channel. तो वो वीडियो आप देख सकते हो. The best thing you can do is just wash your face, put on a serum and then add a sunscreen for added protection. So this is like the bare minimum you can do to keep your skin healthy. Yeah. The next point is, which is like very important and which we tend to skip since we have winter season. This is something जो आप eventually कर सकते हो. Look out for increasing the greens in your diet. Why? Because green food यानी पालक हो गया, साग हो गया, basically all the green leafy vegetables which we have a lot of supplies in winter, they can oxygenate your skin, they can make your skin very plump and make it very tight. Drink something which is high in palak or spinach, and just पूरा मिक्सी में घुमा के add a little bit of नमक, नींबू, and that's best. Trust me, drink it for 15 days, your skin will glow like sun. Yeah, बहुत अच्छी हो जाती है. You can add beetroot to it, it's amazing. Beetroot, spinach, my god, I have seen it. Pomegranate, add these things in your smoothie, just stir them up, just churn them in a mixer grinder, make a nice juice. Do not, छानो नहीं, do not just strain it, क्योंकि जो इसका pulp है, that is the main fiber that will cleanse your skin, that will detoxify your body, and eventually it will give your skin the hydration, the oxygen and the boost that it needs. So include greens in your diet, and the best way I told you, do it in the morning, make a green smoothie. Then the last, the 10th point on my list is a little fancy, but see if you can do it, it will be great. Sleep smarter, right? You obviously know that you need to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep. चाहिए ही हमें पूरे दिन में to, for our body to function properly and eventually our skin to look nice, glowing, healthy and whatnot. But sleep smarter is something different. That means, getting the maximum benefit out of the sleep which you're getting, the beauty sleep. So I suggest, if you can swap your pillows from the if you can swap your cotton pillowcases with a silk pillowcase, you will see great benefits. Silk is super easy and nice. It's a very luxurious fabric. So if you use silk pillowcases first, it will eventually reduce your hair fall, breakage. You do like जो आपको होता होगा during twist and turns, करवटें बदलते हुए बाल टूटते हैं अगर आपके रात में, तो silk is super easy on your hair. And second thing is, silk is good for your skin also. उससे wrinkling नहीं होती. It is very smooth on skin and it gives you a very nice and luxurious elite feel देता है silk pillowcase. So see if it works for you. I think it will. So maybe you can try it out. Again, I'm going to link down a few silk pillowcases in the description box below. And yes, this is what we have for the 10 best skincare practices that you should follow for the best skin of your lifetime. So this is where we conclude the video, and I will tell you about all my social media platforms. You can follow me on Instagram. It is chitranshi.me. I'm really active there. I keep sharing stories and talking to my followers there, so you can follow me on Instagram. Next thing, sorry, I think this one takes the priority. जो आपको करनी है वो ये है कि अगर आप चैनल पे नए हो, इसको सब्सक्राइब कर लो. मैं बहुत ही frequently videos डालती रहती हूँ related to the trend going on in the industry or the skincare practices that you should do. So make sure you subscribe. Please do. Subscription is very important. Make sure you subscribe, okay? And then like this video. कोई भी एक point अगर आपको अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो लाइक करो. कोई क्वेश्चन है तो मुझसे कमेंट में या इंस्टाग्राम के डीएम में बिल्कुल बेधड़ल्ले से आके पूछो. मैं पक्का से रिप्लाई करती हूँ. You must have seen my comments and my replies on this channel. And if you're someone who has interacted with me on the DMs, you know it. I do reply. So if you have any questions, do that. And yes, this is what we have. I will see you again very soon with another video. Bye.